Load it. Everyone knows that most people use the roof rack to transport boats, kayaks, and other vessels. However, few of them know that loading can be done quickly, easily, and without physical effort. All thanks to an invention called Load It. It's a special loader that can be installed on almost any car with a roof rack. For each order, the design is made according to individual dimensions. Load It gently lifts the vessel and then lowers it onto the roof of the vehicle in the most comfortable and suitable way, from any side, back, or front. The device is made from aircraft-grade aluminium, which stands out for its lightness and durability. The system is managed by a remote control. The carrying capacity of the device is 180 kilograms, while the maximum length of the load is 2 meters.